In the winter, Quartzsite, a tiny town on the border of California and Arizona, swells in population from a few thousand year-round residents up to as many as 1 million.
But many prefer a quieter winter camping experience. With over 11,000 acres and a long-term camping area and public lands as far as you can see in any direction, you can still find peaceful off-grid experiences if you just know where to look.
And we're not talking about hiking trails or off-road vehicle trails. On today's episode, we're going to take you on some focused and healing walking experiences to hunt for crystals and other treasure off the beaten path in Quartzsite.
I'm Jamie.
I'm Linda.
And this is Roaming with Rosie.
If you're a part-time, full-time, or someday nomad, you've probably heard of Quartzsite, Arizona. It's considered by many to be the boondocking capital of the world. This is the busy season. When the blazing summer heat and monsoon storms retreat, campers descend on Quartzsite by the hundreds of thousands. But you can easily get away from the madness, usually within a short distance of your campsite, by taking a purposeful walk. Many of the snowbirds who flock to Quartzsite spend some of their time with their eyes on the ground. Sometimes we're a small group, and sometimes large, but in some semblance of togetherness, we walk. This is not for exercising our bodies. We're not hiking trails or speed walking when this happens. This is a form of reading the earth, learning what the desert wants to show us, and keeping our attention only on that. A glint of quartz, the weight of jasper in your palm, each stone is like a small conversation with the earth.
Do you get it? Yeah, let's see it in your hand. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Very pretty.
Arizona is one of the most mineralized states in America and is a host to dazzling gemstones, crystals, precious metals, and even meteors.
We've discovered a gold mine of quartz. That could be your countertop.
Some formed when this desert was an ancient sea, others when volcanoes shaped the horizon. Now they rest on the surface, waiting to catch someone's eye. The girls are back.
Girls are back.
Back in Quartzsite, rock hunting. Only this time, the boys are back too. On one occasion, we were accompanied by the hubbies. They missed the point entirely. Their little crystal?
And that little
crystals find you.
Too. Yeah, that little Kel sent me. It's just a little bubble.
So like previous years, these guys are finding crystals for me and pretty rocks for me. I don't have the eye. I guess you'd think maybe by being here for a long period of time that you acquire it. Like looking for seashells, I think this type of searching appeals more often to the inner workings of a feminine soul. It's a basic gatherer instinct that we're satisfying. So we are in the magic circle, and we do have a magic circle resident taking a walk. I don't know if he has shoes on. I hope he has shoes on. There's a lot of cactus on the ground. That's all he has on.
Yeah, just how they are so dry at the
Oh
bottom.
yeah,
Here's
that's
an
the
example.
that's the skeleton. So look,
Yeah.
this no water for
Yeah.
8 months.
And behind it, the bottom is just gone.
Well, and animals ate that, trying to get the moisture out of it, so because they were thirsty.
And look how many are down. Like, here's one.
Oh my gosh! Thanks for pointing these out.
We do see this.
And we don't only notice the rocks. Sometimes it's the unusual cactus or a beautiful view. We take time to ourselves and we laugh. Out here, the search becomes the point. One foot in front of the other, breathing in the warm, clean air and noticing everything else is kept away during this form of meditation.
I don't know if you pick it up.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at you, Patty, all nestled in there.
You learn to see what's always been there. The difference between a plain stone and one with a story written in its layers is something I'm still working on, and these ladies are helping me. This growth is, it's hard to see stuff.
Yeah.
All right, here's a tiny piece of a geode. It's just a little tiny geode rock.
Look at that.
And look at my dirty hands.
Well, we're picking up rocks out of the dirt.
Yeah. Isn't that
Beautiful. Up, here we go.
pretty? It's not. It's just a piece.
It's just a what?
It's just a piece of a crystal. I need to make it harder on you. So just,
Yeah, get it harder and harder, and then maybe I'll get better at finding them.
there you go.
Is it a tip?
No. Chert, maybe?
Or it's a different color chert.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know you were.
Chert.
This is
Nice.
called chert.
Chert. You
Yeah.
find it in the dirt.
Chert in the dirt.
In the dirt. There you go. That's
For me?
crystal. Yeah.
Look at that one. You
Crystal.
can see right through it.
I know.
Thank you, Stacy. What you find isn't always what you came for, but your pockets are heavier and something in you is a little more settled.
The lizard of the lizard.
Our guys were long gone by the time we've decided to head back to camp with our weighed down pockets. We find them back at camp, and there's a new arrival there. She's opened her pop-up bar.
Oh.
We're like, oh, the guys, they're not even looking for us. They're just leaving with another lady.
I know. We're like, where are they going? To the water hole.
Found a bar.
The desert bar.
They're looking for a name for a bar.
Oh, right on.
You also need to have your bearings. We've gotten lost out here. One of our walks started with a drive west from the LTVA. We followed the dirt road in the car as far as it felt safe to drive and then went on foot from there. The most common rocks found in Quartzsite, Arizona are quartz, geodes, agate, and jasper, as the area is known for its rich mineral deposits. Other rocks and minerals, such as gold and chalcedony, are also found there due to its extensive mining history.
Are you serious?
Guys, I've never seen them. What I imagined they were, that's not what they were.
I know, look, all four sides.
Oh my
That's it.
goodness, I had no
Beautiful.
idea.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Oh, it's a mining claim?
There is a sign up here that will tell you that.
Is that over here? There's a tall stick. We saw the pile of rocks with a sign, with a plaque in metal.
Yeah, and it's got a white plastic, yes.
Yeah.
You can actually screw the top off and it has a note in there.
Oh, really?
It talks about the claim.
Wow. Okay, I don't know where we saw that.
So what is Linda finding? Something that's deep down.
Yeah. It keeps coming.
Yes.
That's not just,
That is a very large piece of a crystal.
wow. And what's the green, mold?
Mold. But that's the point.
Oh, up here's the point?
Yes. You just found a very big crystal.
No, you just found a very big crystal.
No, you dug it out.
You challenged me to find it. I see something you don't see. Some people who walk for rocks come back year after year. They know the good spots. They know the washes where flash floods reveal new treasures after each summer season. But even the beginners find something.
That is cool.
Can you spare a square?
Can you spare me square?
It's perfect little beads. Some kind of slate. Sounds like metal. Kick it around. She got a square. A cube.
Square
It's a cube. Near the clouds. How far do you think we walked?
Yeah, I can look at my. Yeah.
3 miles we're
3
guessing.
miles.
I'll put it up there and say how much we really walk. One way.
Right.
We still got to go all the way back.
Right. Halfway.
We'll be
Yeah.
home before dark,
We're
just to let
halfway.
you know.
That's right.
Now officially lost in the desert. We parked the car at kind of the end of one of the dirt roads. So now we're trying to look at, on Google Maps, all of the potential roads, quote roads. And there's a lot of them. We didn't realize there was a lot of them. So hopefully, if you see this video, it means I made it back to camp. So our first mistake in wandering out in the desert was that we're looking for rocks. And what do you do when you're looking for rocks? You look down. So 4 of us wandering around in the desert aiming at a mountain. Patty dropped a pin on her phone so we'd be able to find it, but she doesn't have service in a lot of the places. So we're all guessing how far from this mountain were we? So here's the mountain behind me, and I'm saying I wouldn't have stopped the car and said, this is how far I want to walk. I would have gotten closer to the mountain. So now we're walking back towards the mountain. So Lois's husband came out with their big yellow Jeep.
There you go.
And between Patty's phone and Carl's phone, they could ping each other. So they couldn't find a road to where we were. They haven't found my car, but we could see them. So we are walking, and then we'll go back to where we started and try to find the car. Rescuers with a Jeep. And I knew that I couldn't have gone down the trail that they found us on because I have that. Thank you, heroes.
Okay. Okay, we'll be there.
So we walked this far to that mountain and up part of it. By the time we were getting close to here, I thought we'd gone too far. Do you think we were aiming for here the way we were walking?
I think we were. We were actually heading towards us.
Yeah.
We were good, but
See if you can find your pin.
but it's just so farther away than I remember.
Yeah, we were giddy and having fun, and excited. Walking back seemed like a lot further. The winter air moves differently here. It alternates from dry to rainy, as well as complete stillness to dust storms. It carries the smell of creosote, sage, and dust. It can be close to 80 degrees one day to close to freezing overnight, and almost every sunset is magical. There are some rules to follow here. Rocks, minerals, and semi-precious gemstones may be collected on public lands managed by the Bureau of Land Management without charge or a permit, as long as the specimens are for personal use. In Arizona, the BLM sets reasonable limits for personal use as up to 25 pounds per day with a total limit of 250 pounds per year. Some people who walk for rocks come back year after year. They know the good spots. They know the washes where flash floods reveal new treasures after each summer season.
Very shiny crystal.
Wow. And that's for like it breaks off of one of those crystal
The
things.
6-sided quartz crystals, yes.
Wow.
Like that.
Oh, there's 4.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Standing right in the middle of these, it looks like we're in a cathedral.
So we're crossing over here in order to get to the really good rock area that I don't know why there's a bunch of cotton here.
They pick cotton in California and they go through this road and it just blows off.
Blows
the
off.
backs
Okay.
of their truck.
This little guy lost his
Lost his feet. This is called chalcedony, and it almost looks like oozing lava that's just hardened.
Chalcedony.
Chalcedony.
Very cool.
Just the way it bubbles up out of the ground.
Wow.
No, isn't that something?
I've got rocks in my pockets. My pants are getting hold down.
And in your backpack.
And in my backpack, yeah. My backpack's heavy now. It's hard to stop. It's hard to stop
It is
looking,
hard to stop.
you know?
But time to go back,
Look.
ladies.
What'd you find?
That's a lovely piece.
The rose.
That's pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And I have noticed
Yes.
that you can find a lot of the chalcedony around these big rocky
Yeah.
areas on the outsides of them.
Right.
Like it tumbles down and out. Okay. All right, Carl is that way. So that's exactly how we're going to head back home.
What if he's downtown?
Then we're going downtown. That's a good point. We should tell each other where we are.
Right. So I just got back from our rock hounding trip that I took with the ladies, and I've got pockets full, and I swear my backpack probably weighs an extra between 5 and 10 pounds more. So I'll show you some of what I found. My pockets are just completely full. Got this one. I'm trying to put it in the sun so you can see some of the glitter. And this one, see it's like got that, see it's got that weird little fold. This is what brings people back. The satisfaction of finding something beautiful that almost no one else has seen. It's the simple joy of a day spent searching. Yeah, it's way more fun. Isn't that cool? They go out rock hounding every day. Quartzsite, Arizona is a tradition for many. A warm, wonderful, crazy, crowded, and fun place to spend the winter. We make new friends every year and even meet up with some of them as we travel around the country. And I wanted to share once again that Quartzsite is whatever you want it to be, and that you can easily find the space to experience the peace and the beauty of Arizona's Sonoran Desert.
If you enjoyed this episode, we'd really appreciate it if you'd share it with your friends and family on social media. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button.
And ring that bell, that way you'll be notified each time we upload new content.
And make sure to leave a comment, that way you can be part of the conversation.
Until next time,
We'll see ya.